Can Xiaomi TV AirPlay? Yes, some Xiaomi TVs support Apple AirPlay, allowing users to wirelessly stream content from iPhones, iPads, and Mac computers. However, AirPlay compatibility depends on the specific Xiaomi TV model and software version. If a Xiaomi TV does not have built-in AirPlay support, alternative methods such as third-party apps or external devices can enable AirPlay functionality. 1. Xiaomi TV models with built-in AirPlay support. Certain Xiaomi smart TVs, especially those running Android TV or Google TV with the latest firmware, come with AirPlay 2 built in. These models allow users to mirror their screen, stream videos, and share photos directly from Apple devices. Users can check for AirPlay support in the TV's settings under the Network or AirPlay and HomeKit section. 2. How to use AirPlay on a Xiaomi TV. Step 1. Connect both the Xiaomi TV and Apple device to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. On the Xiaomi TV, go to Settings, then AirPlay and HomeKit and enable AirPlay. Step 3. On the iPhone or iPad, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. Step 4. Select the Xiaomi TV from the list of available devices. Step 5. If prompted, enter the AirPlay code displayed on the TV. The iPhone's screen will now be mirrored on the TV. 3. Using third-party apps for AirPlay. If a Xiaomi TV does not have built-in AirPlay support, users can download third-party apps like AirScreen, a power mirror, or Mirroring 360 from the Google Play Store. These apps enable screen mirroring and AirPlay-like functionality on non-AirPlay compatible TVs. 4. AirPlay with external streaming devices. Another way to enable AirPlay on a Xiaomi TV is by using external devices such as an Apple TV, Chromecast with Google TV, or Amazon Fire Stick. These devices support AirPlay and can be connected to the Xiaomi TV via HDMI, allowing Apple devices to stream content wirelessly. 5. Troubleshooting AirPlay issues on Xiaomi TV. If AirPlay is not working, users should ensure their Xiaomi TV and Apple device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Restarting both devices, updating the TV's firmware, and disabling any active VPNs or firewalls can help resolve connection issues. For smooth mirroring, using a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network instead of 2.4 GHz is recommended. Xiaomi TVs with built-in AirPlay support allow seamless wireless streaming from Apple devices. If AirPlay is not available, users can still enable it using third-party apps or external streaming devices. By following the correct setup steps, Xiaomi TV owners can enjoy AirPlay features for an enhanced viewing experience.